ya we mabe egwe mama ema omonu ma no ya ire we ya block egwe gewe yara omono asato asa kono ma ya vembo amana wu emi o ma agwi yara e ma te ware do tamwa yara anything obo anoti water na de olive oil na de. Anything from God is free. Ajigo dem yo salopoa. Oh, benake arugwe baby ukbabire. Yes, mo ijore no sakere no tori bayo. Especially o tedo nebo me. Especially o tedo. E na when ya wijobo. Wa me go pata no de. Owo ku ogira we na afie ma no de ba me. Ni maru pa me na when ya gba met, which is true. Ere o we jebe de no savere. Bueno ko wa mo bo me we prayer point me. Eto we must same yeto. Do na we weto na sameji o mami eto ajiyan ape just wa sawa leru popo wa ologoma e baby o boss e down o se no repeat the lele wene venu many meti wugwa many je meji we ya like na and venu ana na eru I love me o eru I love salobon ka pretend wa ono hu na nu wa e man give a testimony wa ya nne ya we ya we yes I pretend. Where was ya seven days in way? Why would 2 days? Do have your mamma go man win and way? Oh, I told him, mammy. While it's a beso, if a salon of somebody won on a property made them on every fit. Even in the fetch, I want ya. Then ya going with wow. It be an only me I receive. Cause maybe your money we. Why get but go what do beg me, Yana. I can't tell my money. If we run a kewu or water, age of 120 years, why I know do not do me back of your mose, of your way gaki, of it do naka. Yes, more second to the last, more power blessed. I will be my wife and we be. What will make a tornado? So, brother, correct no muito bolele, sister, correct no muito bolele, but only why I make Benny Maven or he. But say, I got why go away. We don't make wine, 5 years of work banner. Huh? If I am, walk on any watching and mammy winner. Before Salabaka Doria, me. It's a matter of come away in the area, no, make a mow and I will back up book. You want to have a job on Tonada, get savvy, make my bed. Nija wedge, you got a book back. Nima Jawa, Gia, baby. All that time I must have a walk here. One need him. Or when me and the soga, I come away, I need to jury. Ijora yo bok kan we gbe ira we na taje imaja aji water imaja aji e ba iduari meba ko se dari o amega aro na yikara ya mana kokko yikara ya gwe uga jameji sister o wa we gbe mi eso brother uga jameji we gbe mi ko gbalegbe boss ye saloboniga eki aja we nu teyere iya aba me mi dada we saloboniga gbin nanu e almost to me every minute. Need in one year double. Need Niger. Hello, God bless you. Hey, in Nigeria live. It a live video. Okay. My God, what done you? A message will give you right now. Oh, Jay, funny way off. Okay, there you know we are going Naija, the YouTube. We just have it here. Uga jore ve mi ya nuri diawu. Uga jore wason. Uga jore wavan. Won do de basanika. Emi ga manu e. Veni nu fie ugwe gbeni. Osaloba me ka ya kin okokan nu e. O me ni dinu ya boy pastor. Osaloba pa ka kamatie. Wa gen mu wa o. Where? The night carrier bit no matter. Ja, wagao. Ni ma ota me ni o. Wagao. O ma je. Go me finish na won call. O ma. Okay. Uga izume ekujokpa. Wadam yo the 2 o'clock. I bet there yo. Oga 3 days wow. O mecha we 3 days in igba. E Johnny no, ya tentama, tentation lele, vosi ane tentation alele, ugwe baby namu weji, saloba kan release we, ya fight we. E solo etie me mama ya wa aso, ijoro awa do free we na. Ah, ijoro we rulebu, kasi ya henga segbebo. Hello, God bless you.
Hello, Mama Poto.
Ere live video.
Ma call la pave, non la wone call me.
Iware live video, ere live video, ti me de level. Ure de ti o kasi a travel wo bi e ba kwe.
Okay.
Ama. Wa invite us you wa. Isi ahon kan me go. Iju e call e wa give a message now. Oma ni dino ya waste gwa bo double. When my car baby for so many years. Yes. Azigobo na gbage. Eri agen yeje. Tentation to tentation. Problem to problem. Uga so awe prayer point mene. Ukpa we do apa. Emi o pairo no ju kwa babo kan we gbegui. Oh. Brother, do malaki me we. O ma easy. O ma easy tentation ro. Yen kwe. Cause yan egbe ya release we. Ugbe baby. What's on mona lucky me man no wego mama mu menue o mama sa na bokan we na ri on to iro igo na akoko we ha igo no wa do we job ore 8 years na bokan we na ya re ge prophet ogo e na kina a message akin o ga 2 o'clock ivo giason u pagbe e kujo pa hu me uzo mujugbe bucket u fun ameyo wa da meyo me man why do atie megwe mama ba ya we ba ya ga ere na ja wash uzo yu wa meni udo banua uga ibanua vie ba we va yu we ju wa meni go salobua aga wewe enuru so bom na ga dino te oge yata aga we uga akwigo bopo na nu ga mi obopo oge yata yes oge yata gaze di ai gwa jinya oge yata opo weni venu via yuwa mu meni venu meni metini kebi ni yawo or disappear ne ije where we fit sister where we fit kakabo we towe obona osalobo aje na ya akwigo obo wo ya akwigo wa be enjoy kebi ni ri so bomu we to ga dino de gwara nu me na meti bugwa me na ukpokpo gwa no gire dagbon we wa be ya kweri o meti o se danu pretend lelewe wa be ya kwe yan lenu e o ebe bi no gire dagbon we gwara nu me na meti na ere ya be meti we o salopo ma jiwe uga sagbon na ugbe bebi wa do aje o wa do apobo le liwa we so papa geko we nwa ugaria property menwu na nuwe enwu na nuwe una ga mo no ria iju aria ogwe to bugwe na aria umiemi no mapo wi wa wede ugwe nu block ugwe na ga mi ogogo wa we nu mi ma dere o nu za gogwo ma gba we prayer point me senu ikwe egbe ni we nu wa weba we na no bo eve va nwa agbon magwe mi ogogo amagwe mi ogie nuga ya lawe bo mi pa mama nu e o wa we problem to fa bo we gele nwa mege na ya ri ya ogo ma wa mami nu wa gbon we prayer point me oge yata wa invite abo si wa uga ile nu ni ne udo abalo o meche wu banu o ke bless ameni o so abalo enya gbe uga pe fesi wo ku efe oku accident oku miame oku uriyeke oku popo wa o boss down wa sanyaun aye ba pe bi yoku e o metije ba pe bi yoku e le gafa o ga son o mani de wa na jezo ya we mi na ba ya we eta wa fi oju gwaze ga me lawe to ame ma lato o magba wa we sister wa ni be mo emo wa ti anwenya bason awu pupano di gba ano buki we month wa we ni wa zume ya me wa ya akwe so that obegi egba ya emi ame la yan gbe da uke ya akwe money u blessing na me gbe baba be nu me na meti na kemia no gire takpo wi ma wu yeke we school na nu jona enururi awu gari imu we je school we go gwe ni do regret wo keke gaka we bakpo ma uja meni ya ko awu pa no a month I'm not 3 days I'm not 7 days awu eni monu bie o se da ya lele wo nwane o then ga ikuene ni continue o ri ni ro una iku efune okpa yahin ekeno na ido de different after uja many yahuene ulatia ugwe baft ugwe gbe mutia with your nakedness egbe tamosa na we jore nowhere ori prayer point na me baba owo manage go emi no we gwala a testimony emi no we go dawe boni onu mameti wu negbo na gbon ya giewe for so many years una ye boka gba me we baba wa si ogo me na tamai vie mai oga we nu efenu ya vie mai ju nu ya vie mabu o vie mo sanera me ero ya ji wa adagbon agbon sagbeti ya fie ewurie vie mai oga we nu vie mai tamai we mori prayer point na nu we manage go that a testimony go alo o sanera me ga we nu wa invite us si wa where is neruni ameni gido kayo wegbe uya love ye weke enata bna we the same ekuye na zeyame the same no ke no na luga papa ije sister brother problem ugwe me imeme mi no tame borio odugwe borio uga ijameni kuene wa khiari no sari khiari iwe weke mi no nu me papa e ba no na iluga cause I don't ya no sami eri mi kia ya no back no na luga e du kwa kia tamo se women ni tana e ba no na de different but o ma ye de different again we be make sure a brother we o e me aka ma gwi joro de prayer point na nu that on we man need go testimony e kwalo wa be almost to make a statement in over okay kakabo dawe ne meso osaga iwe mi ni ya we na yikobo we se no ma se tikpo me gwa be ye no so ni ya we se na be tikpo me agwe oye wa ya gwa mutia no sagwa we ya ne ye ke give testimony anyi berio ugbe se gwa ga itie me na iki egbejo igi ekwa igwe mabere edere wa gbe spirit me igi erunite nice stop e ma tatam wana when igwale mi menjino when o sa we mi okpaka no give a testimony aka egwa ma we ya no sa we ya the dokpa ogwo pa bie mabu no bie e matare do tamuwa kakabo we di prayer when am go wugi muwe ewe mekemeke cause e battle ya do attack we mina when we ya gbe we prayer ni e wa ya overcome ya vere God of Yore will never disappoint you. Sister me mami gwego. Ebony pugware na o se wa confuse you even o wa we ogwenu ge we. Ama easy. Try no we sister. Wa we mana like me mweni ejeru. We no salopa veri enyu gwe bepi ni re. Kase or ma easy. O ma easy. Adive like to have so ni gwa we accept. Ever so we talk about me matter like all those things. But it maybe no say no one like you. Yes. Cause I don't beg anyway. Imani de one era. For you now good. A prayer point na mo pa ka tell you ide. I say iga ya na jo baga ume yes na me ya to atie ma se. Yes so atie wa mi pobo ni jore mai. Ito tomu wa na be Paris. Mo ka tell you e wa lo ya na ebo mi. Lo ya imi salo buage gbe ya ni gwalo salo buage gbe mi ni gwalo be lafi me yes Nadia iga obi ebowe throughout the night a noise na from nowhere jore prayer party where is working never give up don't collect money ya ibe rawa na yo mo ri kun obi igwe bo so agume gwanai imabega ni no me first ga ho vive continue no ja weji orugu pa no ma ja weji orugu bebia throughout the night igi yori na wacha wa mi na wa isiwuna imi na ni wa mi na so ge ya imi na de vision me ni ya tai na me no sunu da mi iwa mi me wa a voice sama na fa awo salobo no sister we mama mu menu ya le ba ino mama mo menu salobo aja me yanju me we nu ya ko never so na we ya na we ekokochi la yan gbiyare dobo no eti we mi ne kokochi na la yan egbere no de wa be ko pa gun owo no salomo ola yan egbere after we prayer point wa ya love ye eso ikia kiana la jan we okay we mi obo no ko no ma we ikiana la jan o owa wo nwa ko ma jama o bi ti we beri aka ma me o nwa jama a problem to problem oboga we mi jawe gbenu ya la webo o must to jega e loke salobo ya se fama bo obona nwu jawe gbe una la webo ya ko ko ado de bosaniga yes uga weti amo menu we prayer party me yes o must to give him a testimony evani emeje na ube kera na tagwe eki awo almost to need we evani emeje o ma na me believe me we mo ke ado we prayer point o kijore mo ke ado aya mi jore sister forget what need me keni re botone dore what need me we awe mi dan ni afino jowe gbe ke la we boni fie ya ko e baby ologoma awu yeke aya luzigo aya luzefe ekenu ase iyamu we yeke it's yawa yes iwe ni wa gun ya gun ne kedo tie wa e ka finish ne ogo bi anoro the same team e no ku ya wu mo pa ze yu wa me wọ́n wá mo bo mo wa lo gba etu wa we to ni maje tu mo sanera me be lerun so be fi bo we fe fa ni bejo aga wonu ga mi go nu ko oge yata ta mi ya wi jore no mo go oge yata ta mi ya wo oge yata u must to mi go we igo we no so fa igo for one e iga re nu da duri nu je boya hun o mi oni wo bo if no body no my sota aboga we mi njo we gbe wa can lose you lose more than thousands yes baba e fi pe gun me do bokin gbe ma tare do ta e ti o paro wa gun na no sasa lo bua e o wa ge mu wa e ade o sa lo bua pa keka e ma ya ka ma me fa hello, it is live video.
Okay. Mama.
Mama salo buave. Na igyo dem ma wane kose ede all logo wa ikebege me. Igyo dem ma wane. Wa me ni tinu wa iga ti opo wa. Wa invite abasi wa. Wa kamia wi jore no mo red line. Mama salo buave. That get deceive wa. One no saloba ku ta we jore. Ya don't na lele me. 2 years ago, e dede gbe ya ta iri mina. Saloba na wa akin ate go na igu na gi go ko ya ni ewu. Na megwa to oge. Na wa le ye ke ma pa. Ne ma be degbo. E fe saloba pa ku jere. Awe jore la ti an ye ka wa na no le jina yi papa la gogo. Papa forgive me. Awe ye forgive we no me suki. Wa hu na lele me be ge asege. So papa ai se siga ai nwanyo wa onu mu na lele me na iyo papa na agwo o wa ta ne da fi eke ke no kede ona were gbe lapa eh e da gi gbe won ma ko enti mi na ma wa mi na agwo ina bia ya timi na nai na won sun 3 days or yo me masoto yo a weakness me ga tori na egwe o mi na iwa mi na mi salobo abi na dia when I mi neje agwa gbogbo ata no na we mana ta ni ye iba o si ba we ina ge mi no ta ma me away you see I say o dere o ma moai wa win o salo bot se we go se na Osalobo no can disgrace our pastor ni kiame. Ya je ni ya we business. Ya Osalobo. E chentro ya hi. E chentro ya na ya chentro blabo e wepo. E dada gbe ya ta. O ya disgrace wa ya. Kase wa go tu na le lo sa. Emi vi o sa ego. Lenu ni ya. Ebi e mani ya ni ya do san we se. Brother, eru ave ya we prayer point we. Alright, second one ya no emi we papa. A prayer point ni do una. Ijore no we. Yori eme. So papa, we mani digo bo pome o. Our testimony e kwalo. Gaka me baba no give ijore testimony. Papa lao, give no rio meboja. Give na gbon ya giebe. Sister, oma we be na we ba kwe. So fa huru we baby. Awe dobo ni kasie, ologoma ni karo. Ape yakwa. Hello, God bless you.
God bless you.
You don't live video.
Okay, I will get it.
Ape yakwa. Awu we ave semi eso. Wari mina. Wawe miemi. Ya hunu. Ebe so gwa ni vetagwe. Sister iwa mina miewe. Sister what do rescue ma? Imeti na ya rescue ma. Salobo ameno. Amana muwe very amwe fesi me ye gbegba ajaji. Le message na ni give na ga mata no. Yo gbe na nu wa. Yo ke akoko ninu wa. Yo ke akon enu wa. Iye me ni ta. Ima nwanyo. Waja meji. Kato de bossa ni ka ogo enu. Ogo enu. Brother mabege ru was ju. Uze ju pabo ju pabo. Mabe una wa lose mi go re wu pa. Mabe bi no lose. Mabe no lose. Sister, mabege be no konsen we like wepo. Mabege ge my teacher neni go ya we mi agbon. Tamata. Mabege, mo ya we mi agbon. Go me ni tamu kwa na eze one era bo. O wa we ya emose. O do aviese. Do take aviera so do aviese. Wa invite wa si wa. O do aviese. Uga iwe the prayer point ne. Una ga egwu mami owe. Ari na ja watch we YouTube. Then usu a watch me. I watch a video me. Where God of Yore. Gaka me but not give a testimony. Even go with prayer point now. Osalobo na gele ko we nwa e. Ogbun nanu e. Sister Ukawo mama result gberegbewe. E battle no ma easy. But believe me, imano wago. Oga kenu wago. God amye mono tejore no la den wotone do no do panu wa. Oga kenu wago. Fa wa wago kakabo. Fa ni jame jino ro wago. Emi manu wane. Wa iruwe baby. 2 o'clock ga ipagbogbe so salobua. E ma ya fe no giwe prayer point me. Emi aguwe ge esenia. Ge esenia baba wo ge mo huna. Adoje kwe ya mume. Ki ya mi ogogo. Terun do mo guwe o we gun se o ga gun. Derun do na o godo odevi owa. O ga we. Denu ya la we bono. Ira pa me Emmanuel. O ga Manuel. Oga Manuel sister. Hey vie. Hello, God bless you.
Hello.
Hello, ire live video.
Okay, ma. God bless you.
Bless you too. Tell me no ata. Why?
Yeah, let me testify. Let me tell people what God really did.
Oh yeah, go on.
Hello. Wire butter. You know what to know is that Mama, I'm not seeing you face to face. We here with the YouTube. That is where I connected the
prayer point.
In our prayer point, in our way. It can't wear in my thing. When you're going to be explain, you know what this one. Here my first dream. When you have me now. It's 30. Imagine it was so high. You know, he is stepping in your face, so duku. You know, so duku. If it wasn't give it today, you know, we're doing the same thing. I was doing Sunu for the second time. The same dream. I was doing Sunu. In a Giacoa. If I bring a little, the dead day. Although, you know, we're based on we love you. Again, my dear, on our center, I women love you. The person, I'm not going down. All my your pocket on a rare, who will bet it. Me not protect only, me not hate the person. On the now, I will wear it. I'm not on our side, I will love you. She. On our not distracted, so that may what Tony again, or no canny, you make it out for only or we know. The matter distracted, I know women in our ordinary small little.
Okay.
I want to tell the world where there is power in the name of God. Lord, name of majority. You use the name of God, which is above every other God, and it will work for everyone. And if you believe, because if you believe, if they believe, anyone that believes in this thing that you are saying,
okay,
their testimonies are waiting for them.
Amen.
It's waiting for them. What I want to tell them, you people should not neglect. I want to walk by, I want to move over, I want to move anything. She just asked you to pray. Take a water. I'm going to answer me or we not to the website and use it to bath and pray over it. Well, I will call it along the door. So okay, sir. Thank you, sir. When I'm women rock married, with that we're supposed to have this faith. If you believe it will work. Or when the prophet prophesied, or if you believe it will work, and it will be well with you.
Amen.
Let people know that it will be well with them. Let them believe. I believe this thing that you really, it will make me nice or somehow, but when I did this thing, it will not heal do for it.
Okay.
And I call me, I don't know that. You know what?